The client asked me today how to create a public Google map and how to add facilities on it. Rather than give her an answer, I thought I'd create a video. So I have to be logged into my Google account, whether it's Gmail or the business Google accounts. So in my Google account, logged in as Teddy Burris, go to the apps icon, click on more, go to maps, and in maps, I can now go to my custom maps because I'm logged in as Teddy. And from my custom maps, if I didn't have any, I could create a new one. So let's create a new one, and I'll call this one something unique. We'll call it test map. I'm going to type, save that. So now I have a map. It's called test map. So I'm going to go find a location. So let's go find, the White House in Pennsylvania Avenue Northwest. So there's the White House. It's green. There's the green button. If I click on that, add to map. And once I've added it to the map, you'll see it over here on the list. And if I click on that, I can hit edit, and I can say, this is my office, or whatever relevant piece of information you want. If you want to add another location, go back up here and search, and let's search for the Pentagon. Pentagon City. There's Pentagon City. Again, it's green. Click on it, add to maps. It puts it over here. Click on it again, hit add, Pentagon City, my other office. Save that. And I can add a third location just by going up here and saying, I want to add, let's add National Mall. National Air and Space Museum. There it is. Click on the green button, add to map, go over here, and I can edit it, and I can say, yet another office. And I can put notes here. Visit me on Mondays. Whatever information you want. Save that. So I've created a map, give it a name that's relevant. You can click on that and rename it if you want. And then I'll search for location, and I've added locations, and it shows up my map. And so now what I can do is it's automatically saved. I can go to the share button, and in the share button I get the link that I can share it. And so it's Maps Engine. I can just take that and grab it. I can email it, share it on Google+, Facebook, or Twitter. I can also make it public. So I can say it's public to anyone on the web, and I can save that. And now that I've changed it and made it public, this URL right here, I can grab that URL and I can share it anywhere I want to share it so that others can get to it. And then I hit done. And if I want to, just to show you that share, I'll go to an incognito window. I'm not logged in. I can be at the library on any other computer. There's that URL. And then it brings up the map. And there's my test map with the White House, Pentagon City, and Smithsonian National Air Museum. And this is really cool. If I click on that, again, it gives me the address and phone number, email, website. Click on that one. Same thing. Website, address, phone number. And go close this window. I'm back to the map I was doing. And now I can close this out and close this out. And if I go back and open a map again, more maps. And if I go to my custom maps, here's the one I just created called Test Map. And there's the map there with the icons I put on there. I hope that was useful.